everybody, I'm Vicki Fleshour, and
this is Mark.
And we're another video for the South Whitley Public Library. Today we're going to try a couple recipes from this new cookbook we got at the library, Avatar: The Last Airbender Official Cookbook. The live action movie is coming out later in March. So we thought we would try a couple of the recipes. I'm going to try Appa's apple salad. And Mark is doing...
And I'm going to do Roku-Style flaming hot chicken skewers.
So first we're going to do the apple salad. Get that page up here.
It's 14.
Okay. So in this bowl, show you what I have here. I have half of a small head of red cabbage and 1.5 Fuji apples. And to that, we're going to add 2 scallions that I've chopped up. That piece out of there. And about a 1-inch nub of ginger that's been freshly grated, peeled and grated. And we have mirin, which is a new spice to us, or seasoning to us. It's an oil.
It's substituting the rice vinegar.
You're supposed to have rice vinegar, and we don't have any, but I had mirin because Mark needs it for his, so we bought it for that. And then instead of sesame oil, I have canola oil, and that was 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil or canola oil, and a teaspoon of kosher salt. And that's basically all you do. Just mix this together and let it sit for a little while, and everything get marinated together.
And Buster's waiting for it to fall on the floor.
Yeah, I don't know where Buster is. He's back here on the floor behind us, like always. So that's basically my recipe. It's pretty simple. I'm going to let Mark tell you about his recipe.
My recipe, we have this marinating right now. It's about another 30 more minutes. It's 4 skinless chicken thighs. We cut them into 2-inch pieces. Some kosher salt and fresh ground black pepper liberally. Then we substituted the 2 Redbird iced chilies because they're way hot. I mean, they're way hot, so we just substituted them with jalapenos. Then we did that 2 tablespoons of mirin, and then we couldn't find any chili oil, so we just used sriracha. And then we have some scallions that we're going to cut up, and we will get them ready in about a half hour and get it cooking.
So the chicken marinades with the salt, the pepper, the jalapenos, and the mirin, and the sriracha sauce.
Yep.
Okay. All right. We are going to let the chicken marinate for a half hour or so. And then we'll come back and show you what it looks. Mark's going to put it on the grill with the skewers. We have metal skewers today, like this, that we're going to use. So we'll come back in a little while and show you what that looks like.
Getting ready to put our chicken on some skewers. We'll get one started, and we'll do the rest and come back. We do this, then we got an onion, maybe.
How long do these cook on the grill?
According to the recipe, about 3 minutes each side.
Okay.
If you do it in the oven,
you can do it under your broiler in your oven. And how long does it say for that?
10 minutes.
Okay. We're going to do them on the grill today. Just got one done.
Here's our chicken skewers. We're getting ready to go out and put them on the grill. Should be about 3 minutes each side, give or take. I have a 2-zone going, so just in case we have to move one over to let it finish off, we're good.
What's a 2-zone?
Where the charcoal's on one side and there's nothing on the other.
Oh, okay. All right. We'll be back in a few minutes. So here we're out at the grill. And this is what Mark means by 2 zones. So the charcoal's on that side, in the middle, and there's nothing on the outer sides. So he said he's going to do them for a couple minutes on each side. Here's a shot of Buster. Buster. So we'll let those go a couple minutes, see what they look like. So this is why we have a 2-zone fire. The 2 on the outside are pretty much done, but that one in the middle still needs a little more time. They're taking a little bit longer than 3 minutes because our grill's not really super hot, so they're taking maybe 6 minutes aside. So we'll get these finished up here. Okay, we're back and our food is ready. Here's our up here so you can see it. Here's our salad and one of the kebabs or the skewers. So we're going to try this out. Mark and I haven't had Japanese food very much. At least I haven't. See if we can get this off here. Pardon my fingers. That's pretty good. You should try that. I'm going to try some of the salad. A piece of apple and a cabbage. What do you think of the chicken? It's pretty good. I think I would make that again. I'm sure it would be
Got a bite.
even spicier if we wouldn't use those bird's eye chili peppers. But our grocery store doesn't even carry them. That's why we had to substitute some of our stuff because our grocery store doesn't carry it. But I'm going to try the salad. That's good, and it was easy. I will link the, I'll put the recipes in the description. And again, it came from the Last Airbender, Avatar The Last Airbender's Official Cookbook. And the movie comes out, I believe, sometime in March 2024. So, I think that's going to do it for this episode. I think next month in April, I'm going to make a lemon cake. So stay tuned for that. Look for that video and go back and watch our other videos on the Southwood Lake Community Public Library YouTube channel. So we'll see you all later.
See you later.